Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this fun, colorful ombre nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and the polish I always use is by Sinful Colors. It's called Snowy White. That's my go-to polish. And then I'm going to apply liquid latex just for a much easier cleanup. Then using my Born Pretty BP-L009 nail plate, I'm going to apply purple and blue stamping polishes onto it. Now I'm using the polish by Mini Manny Moo, but you can use regular nail polish. The only difference is that stamping polishes are specifically for stamping, so the consistency is much thicker, so the colors are more bolder than a regular nail polish. So play around with different polishes because some of them really do work well with stamping. As you can see, I placed it on my nails and it just gave it a nice ombre look to it. Just like a really easy design that you can do with any stamping plates that you want and just create fun looks. Here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.